Calling Canady. She's 84 years young today.
Woo!
Did I spell it right?
That's right.
Yeah. He said I didn't know how to spell his name, so I had somebody else do it.
I helped him.
Danny Esposito, birthdays this month.
Danny.
Beth,
So what?
John, where's she at?
Right here.
Beth's birthday's this month.
Yep.
Kurt, one of our little relatives, is 1 year old today.
Oh, all right.
Is it today?
Yeah.
The rest of us are
The 12th, close enough.
Close enough.
Little Michael, where he's at?
I was right here.
It's his birthday this month. Happy birthday.
And the rest of us haven't grown up yet. That's right.
Caitlin's birthday is today. Where's Caitlin? Caitlin.
This month. Not today.
Well, whatever, this month.
She's up to
And
it.
Haley's not here and it's her birthday. Who'd we leave out?
I'm gonna have one in a couple months.
All right, let's all give him a good happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ryan. Happy birthday to you.
I have an announcement to make.
It's not your birthday.
I'm
You're not his mother.
I am available.
So am I. So are these two guys.
Get away from the riff trap.
I had a proposal of marriage by a 90-year-old man,
Do it quickly.
and I haven't heard from him since.
You broke his heart.
We decided that we lived.
We know you're a cougar, right? You don't have to somebody's 60.
We knew that we lived too far apart.
All right.